What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Salt Fresh Fishing. It's your boy J-Rob, and today we're gonna take it back to last year. During Thanksgiving, I went to Daytona with the fam and did some fishing outside of the resort we were staying at. So this is that footage. I know we all wanted to leave 2020 behind us, but I'm bringing this one back. It was a great trip. We got on a bunch of different species, and I just wanted to share that experience with y'all. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode. Let's go. All right, guys, what is going on? Oh shoot, we got a fish. There's a fish. Felt like one. Okay, I was pretty sure we had a bite going on, but I don't know, it might have been some waves. But anyway, so what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Good morning. All right, guys, so we're gonna be throwing some topwater. This is a little bone colored bomber, a little topwater spook I got at Walmart. We're just gonna cast it out and just see what happens. Dude, the freaking bird tried to eat it. Guys, the freaking bird has it. The freaking bird grabbed it. Dude, these birds are crazy. Dude. Is that a fish? See, I can't tell. That's a fish or a wave. I mean, my line is all the way over here now. Oh, damn. That was not smart, guys. Yeah, I don't know. I think my rod's just not long enough. I think I'm gonna have to wait till it like bows over all the way. They constantly bent over, which I think that's the waves. Oh, we got like little bait fish right here. Been out there for a good bit. Let's see. Oh, we got a fish on, guys. Pretty sure we got a fish on. I could be wrong. Oh, we got a fish on, I'm pretty sure. Oh, wait, is it? Yeah, dude, I'm pretty sure we got a fish on. Yep. What do we got? What do we catch? Dude, that is a freaking nice size whiting, bro. Dude, that is a nice whiting. It's a little kingfish. It's like a whiting or a kingfish. They go by a few different names, I guess. Wasn't expecting to catch anything, honestly.
I can understand that.
Yeah.
Look at it.
I know. I don't want him to have me or anything. There he is. Yeah. Yeah, he has like very bony spines, so I don't want to. Apparently they taste good, but I'm on vacation, so I can't really keep it. Yeah, pretty cool. Get my pliers. Release it. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Yeah, no problem. On some fish. Maybe I spoke too soon. We caught it down that way where I was heading anyway, where I see, you see all those birds. So I think I'm going to try to get this guy undone. He's hooked pretty deep. There we go. Got it out. All right, guys, so super slimy and gross, but yeah, guys, a little North Atlantic or Atlantic whiting. Let me go release him. Hopefully he gets back into the ocean okay. Oh wow, just when I needed some water. All right, there he is. Here we go. There you go, he swam off. Oh, come on, little buddy. Let's see, I think you swam off. We're good. Yeah, that was my first one I ever caught.
Get a popcorn.
Yeah. Yeah. No, actually, I had some FishBites.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so like red things.
No, I use them. I know what they are.
Yeah. When you catch a fish on a beach, man, you become a celebrity. I hope that whiting is okay. If not, I mean, birds need to eat too, right? So that'll be so sweet. We can catch another little whiting. And freaking FishBites, man, coming through with the wind. This is my first time ever using FishBites too. I have to say, man, they're pretty effective. I don't got to worry about rebaiting, and it seems like fish eat them. So, is that a raven? Raven Clan in this mug. Shout out to all my Assassin's Creed fans out there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're gonna come back tomorrow morning and continue this same video. It's like a super surge every like, it's like coming up higher than normal. Oh, those are my FishBites. Come here. Did that break off? All right, guys, we just broke off. That was definitely the biggest L I've ever taken. So looks like we're gonna just retire that rod and hope we don't break off on this one. Whew. Oh, there we go. Had to let it fall. Oh, wow. See, dude, these surges, dude, are insane. We got a fish on, guys. Then we got a fish on. Dude, that was quick. I don't know. No, I guess not. Let's recast. Freaking rod was doing the dance though. Guys, honestly, if I can catch one fish today, I'm calling this whole trip a success. That's a fish. I think we got a fish, guys. Yeah, we got a fish. Let's do it, man. Oh, dude, it's a little catfish. Let's pull it out. Sheesh. That's a throwback. All right, guys, so first fish of the day. I've heard these guys are poisonous. So I really don't want to get spined by this guy. I mean, he's hooked perfectly, right? Like, there he is. We're gonna let the surf take him back. There he goes. There he goes. All right, let's try to get something else. I mean, anything right now is a good thing. So I'm not gonna complain about that little catfish. I just wasn't trying to get sent to the hospital. But that was a pretty cool little catch. I've never caught one of those before. I think that was a hardhead catfish. Somebody in the comments let me know what it was for sure. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna cast back out and just catch what we can catch. That's all we're doing today. Just catching what we can catch. So that's pretty cool. But man, I'm satisfied. I got 2 fish on 2 days, fishing conditions that I don't know how to fish. So Hey, outside of my comfort zone and I'm catching fish. You can't complain. We got some diversity today. We got a multi-species beach fishing challenge adventure completed. I would have gotten a more close-up video or picture of that fish, but I've heard too many things about saltwater catfish that like I just don't even want to mess around with them. I'm not even at home. I'm in Florida. I don't even want to risk it. To be fair though, that would be cool to catch a pompano. I've never caught a pompano before. Oh shoot. Oh, a sand flea, bro. Oh my gosh, that was a freaking sand flea. That was literally a sand flea. It just attacked my foot. I don't know if you guys caught that, but that was pretty sweet. And I'm using sand flea flavored FishBites. So we're matching the hatch. Anyway, when we feel a bunch of little rapid, hard hits, that's when you gotta fish in the surf. Unless you like fishing with cut bait or live bait and you catch like a shark or redfish, that's a little different. They're just gonna take it and go, but. Damn it. Dude, that's a fish. Dude, that's a fish. Yeah. Yeah, that's a fish, guys. That's a... Wait, what do we have here? Because it's a little... Oh shoot, he got belly hooks. This little pompano got belly hooked, guys. But we do have a new species. Pompano. Alright guys, a third species of the trip. Relax, little guy. There he goes. Built for the surf. Built for the surf. Back into the water he goes. Ravens, my friends. Yeah, that worked great. What time is it? Oh, look at that, guys. It's 9:10. And my back is starting. Oh, dude, no. I'm just gonna say this thing's waterproof and pray that it's okay. I think it's okay, man. Well, iPhones are waterproof nowadays, right?